In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through a simple path to get from a Google search to your Webflow project. Open the site, head into the Apps area, and search for payments so you know exactly where to handle payment methods in Webflow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to a search engine. Type Webflow into the search bar. In the results, choose the official Webflow link. It should clearly show the webflow.com domain. If you see ads or similar-looking tools, just double-check the URL before clicking. Once you're on the official site, sign into your account so you can access your projects and dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll see your projects listed. Locate the specific project you want to work with and look for the option labeled View Site. This opens the public-facing version of the project so you can confirm you're in the right place. If you manage multiple sites, use the dashboard's search or filters to find the correct project quickly. If View Site isn't immediately visible, make sure you have the right permissions and that you're in the correct workspace for that project. With your site open, navigate to the section labeled Apps. This is Webflow's central place for integrations and add-ons. The Apps area helps you extend your site's capabilities without custom code. It's a good idea to pause here for a moment and note the layout. There's typically a search bar and categories that make it easier to find what you need. Now use the search bar and type Payments. This pulls up all payment-related options within Webflow's apps ecosystem. You'll typically see entries for payment processors and gateways that can help you accept funds on your site. Take a moment to read the app descriptions to understand what each option offers, and check compatibility notes to ensure it aligns with your region, currency, and business model. If you're comparing providers, look for details on fees, settlement times, and any additional features like subscriptions or fraud protection. It's also helpful to review any available documentation linked from the app's page so you know what information you'll need on hand later. That's the full path. Search for Webflow on Google, open your dashboard, view your site, head to Apps, and search for Payments. From here, you have a clear starting point for managing payment methods in Webflow, all from within the official ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you work on your own site.